So I definitely just had one of those, why didn't anyone tell me this existed moments? I want to get better at Vim, the built-in text editor that you have in your Linux operating systems. It's pre-installed. You're going to need to use it or another text editor, but I'll go with Vim. And there is a tool built right in that does an incredible job of teaching you how to use Vim. And that's what I'm going to show you in this IT First Step. So here I am in an Ubuntu system that I use all the time. It is my Viral server. Viral is a Cisco emulator that we often use when we're studying Cisco systems technology to build topologies and work with the equipment. And notice here I am at the prompt, and we are often required to edit text files. And Viral would be a great example of this. If you want to change some of the Viral settings, you need to go in and modify one of the text files that controls the behavior of Viral. And you'll often be reading documentation. It'll say, well, go in and edit this file. And you're like, okay, well, how do I do that in the Linux environment? Well, Vim is the answer. It's the built-in text editor, but it's not all that intuitive to use. Well, to learn how to use Vim, all you got to do is launch the Vim Tutor. Why didn't anyone tell me about this? So you type Vim Tutor and hit enter, and you're in the Vim Tutor, and notice it's broken down into lessons. And lesson 1.1 right down here is how to move the cursor. And you can see I've gone through this lesson, and I now know how to move the cursor. I'm using the arrow keys, but notice you can use the H key, you can use the L key, the K key, the J key in order to move around. And then the very next lesson is how the heck do you get out of Vim? So you exit Vim by typing :Q and then the exclamation point and hitting enter. And notice we just left the Vim Tutor. To get back in the Vim Tutor, we say Vim Tutor, and we're back in it. And now we could go down and we could do lesson 1.3. And this lesson is on deleting text. And then there's inserting text and appending text. And then, of course, there's a lesson on how to save your work when you're done, or exit without saving, as we did with :Q exclamation point. So this is just a super clever and fun way to learn Vim by practicing with it. And I sure wish someone had told me about this long ago. Enjoy, everybody, and thanks for watching this IT First Step.